Hey everyone, welcome back to Natural Beauty with Melanie. Today I am here to show you what I got in the Beauty Heroes 20% off sale. I'm very excited to open this box. It actually came earlier than I expected, so it was very exciting to get it in the mail. And sorry for my weird background. I'm sitting here in front of a closet, closed closet doors because of some other stuff going on in the room, lighting, etc. And my hair is kind of a mess, and then, you know, I'm shiny and everything, but I thought it'd be fun to show you what I got, and I couldn't wait any longer, so let's open it up together. Anyways, so Beauty Heroes had a 20% off summer sale, and I did hear from another blogger that they don't have another sale until November during Black Friday sales. So I was like, let's just get it. And I felt like I got some special items that I was really looking forward to that 20% off would help. Looks like I got a sample of the Great Cleanse from Maya Chia. And I got the Love More promotion. That's when you spend, I actually forgot I got this, when you spend $125, which I spent just a little bit over that to qualify for this. I got the Leilani Aloha Ambrosia Morning Moisture Elixir. So that is cool. Not that I need a moisturizer right now. Oh, they keep giving me the pocket guide. I have 3 of these now, but they're helpful. So this is how Beauty Heroes packages come. Always nice. Everything's recyclable in them. They have that like nice little packing paper. And it looks like I got some other little samples. Oh, how fun. I got an Osmia Vital Rose Drops and Nectar. This looks like it's like a booster. For your skin, so that's awesome. I love samples so much. I didn't actually know I was getting any. I got a Graydon Aloe Milk Cleanser 3-in-1. That will be nice to try. I have a lot of samples I want to try. I'm thinking about like setting aside some time to try some different samples and do a video on those maybe. And then here's the sample of the Maya Chia, the Great Cleanse Nourishing Super Critical Cleansing Oil. I actually have another sample of this from something else, so I am excited to try this base oil. And this is like the packing stuff they have, so that's nice. I gotta dig in here. Oh my gosh, there's another thing in here. I didn't order this. Couscous Blue Body Serum. Wow, this is exciting. There's so many little things in here. I almost missed it. It's so tiny. That's like really nice that they included, you know, a few extra samples and stuff and that. How wonderful. All right. Ooh, my package looks so pretty. It's exciting. So, well, that's what I got. As you can see, I got some soaps here on the right, left, here on my right. Nopalera soaps. And then I got the Love More gift. And then 2 Earthwise Beauty products, which I'm so excited about. All right, let's check out the soaps. Nopalera Cactus Soap, Lemongrass Scent. So these have like little like cactus hairs in them, which sounds strangely appealing to me. Oh, it absolutely smells like lemongrass. This is what the soap looks like. So I do love bar soaps. I like bar soaps much more than body wash personally. So if you like lemongrass, this definitely smells like lemongrass, and I'll be able to let you guys know how this soap is, but that is Nopalera Cactus Soap in Planta Futura Lemongrass. Normally these soaps are like $14 each, I think, approximately. I got them 20% off, so that's a pricey soap, so just know that. This is Nopalera Cactus Soap, Flor de Mayo, Jasmine Scent. Very subtle. So this is what the little soaps look like. I guess like that's comparable to like the palm of my hand. This is very subtle. So it'll be interesting to like start using it and see how, if I can feel little cactus hairs. Now, I don't know about you guys, but you know, my husband and I share bars of soap and he goes through them like crazy. Like I feel like if I put this in for both of us to use, it would be gone in less than a week. So I might, you know, use it and then set it aside and put in a different soap. I don't think he would really mind. Might have to be special Melanie soap. Okay, And this is the Leilani Aloha Ambrosia Morning Moisture Elixir. That is a mouthful. It says moisturize, prime, and glow. Oh, that's good. I don't actually really know if it's like I thought it was a face cream, but I have to see what it says. If it's more like a serum or what. Might be easier to see. Leilani Aloha Ambrosia. It is 15 milliliters. It's only half an ounce. Let's see if we can figure out if it's a face moisturizer. It says an exotic superfood feast for your skin. Feather light absorbent consistency, silken texture, morning moisturizer to be used under makeup or sunscreen or simply on her own to enhance your natural radiance throughout the day. All right, so it does sound like it is a moisturizer. Shake well, gently massage one, pump into damp skin. Pretty nice looking, but you know, it's funny for like a moisturizer. It's liquidy, so I don't know. I'll have to see. That one might need to stay closed for a while due to my many open moisturizers, part of my project pan. So the things I'm so excited about, namely, are the 2 Earthwise Beauty products, Paloma of the High Desert Cleansing Ritual Oil and the Cistus and Moonlight Face Mist, Hydrating Face Mist. I follow a lot of Earthwise Beauty's things on Instagram, and people absolutely love Earthwise Beauty. I've tried 2 products. This Paloma of the High Desert Cleansing Ritual Oil is the newest product that she's made, and it they're saying, like, people, reviews and everything are saying that it can be used as like a face cleansing oil. You can leave it, you can use it as a final oil on your face. Some people are saying it's like a beautiful body oil, so it seems to be very the word I'm looking for, versatile. So some people are like, oh, it's too beautiful to wash off. So yeah, it says basically shake the bottle briefly, dispense 4 to 6 pumps of the oil into the palms of your hands, press onto dry skin, massage, add more oil as needed. And then it doesn't say anything about using it as other things, but I have definitely heard that. And this is what it looks like. And it has a 6-month expiration date, so I need to put a date on here. And it's 3.4 fluid ounces. So, oh, it has one of these little funny cap things, which I don't know if you're just supposed to throw away or keep. I have one of these on a Live Botanical thing, and I keep it on. I don't know, maybe it like protects, who knows. Anyway, so let's check it out together. Get my wrist or my hand in there so you can see. It's gonna take a few pumps, I think. Her products are incredibly unique smelling. And they're like, maybe I'm just not a great like describer of scents. My first thought is citrusy. I feel like I always say that. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of research to tell you more about I can tell you what the ingredients are, but like what the scents are. So from what I heard, I can just use this as an oil to moisturize in. It doesn't have to be a cleansing oil because obviously I have greasy hands now. I don't absolutely love the scent right off the bat, to be honest with you. So, it's unique, but I can't really describe it. I'm gonna need to think on this one. So we'll see about that. Paloma of the High Desert Cleansing Ritual Oil. Let me tell you some of the ingredients. Jojoba, sacha inchi. So this does remind me of the Cocoa Kind Golden Elixir oil that I'm using. And it has sacha inchi oil in it. And I don't love the scent of it. So I'm wondering if I'm not a sacha inchi fan. There's Kalahari melon seed oil, pomegranate seed oil, baobab seed oil, tomato seed oil, prickly pear seed oil, geranium absolute, geranium rose. So definitely reminds me of that, like almost like sunflower scent. If I had to, like a sunflower, not like the old school perfume. I think that's what that one was called. Maybe not. And okay, so let's move on. So this is Earthwise Beauty's Cistus and Moonlight Face Mist. It's a hydrating face mist. It says mist over freshly cleansed skin morning and night, then follow with a moisturizer of your choice. Or alternately, it may be applied on a cotton round for wiping the face to lightly cleanse and refresh. If you would like to attune to the vibrational elements from the gem and flower essences, spray above your head 3 to 4 times a day and meditate for a moment if time allows. Shake periodically to remix. So this is what it looks like. These are nice dark glass bottles, so I think these should stay well protected. And I'm gonna give this a spray on the face. Let's see how the mister is. Again, a kind of unique scent. And I can't tell, I'm not even gonna try to describe it. Don't mind my very damp face now, but it's a face mist, so let's say. Okay, it has rock rose hydrosol, aloe barberdensis juice, rock rose essential oil, citrus lemon, or it says limon extract, monk shoot flower essence, oh my gosh, phlox flower essence, rainbow moonstone gem essence, another mangano calcite gem essence, clear quartz gem essence. So yeah, I can't even describe the scent. It's like just not like any typical scent. So what my plan is now is I'm gonna come back to you guys, however soon, after I've been using these to give you more of a review. So that's everything from my Beauty Heroes purchase. And particularly I might actually start using a soap too and let you know. And then I'm gonna be using these 2 products a bit to let you know my thoughts on them after, versus just like my first opinion here, which you've seen where I'm just like, I can't describe the scent. So I will be back with some reviews or some early first impressions next. See ya. Hi everyone. Okay, so welcome back. It's been a week now and I've been using some of these products, so I wanted to just give you some quick feedback on my experience after a week. Okay, so I've been using the Planta Futura Lemongrass Nopalera Cactus Soap for a week. I have not noticed the little cactus hairs in it that they mention, or that I've heard people mention, but it's a nice scent. It's a fine soap. I have not yet used the Flor de Mayo Jasmine soap yet, so I'm just only using the lemongrass one for now. My one week review on it is, it's nice, it has a lemongrass scent, but to me, it's not something that I'm gonna be looking to repurchase. Especially the price, at least through Beauty Heroes with no sale, is about $14, which I think is pretty expensive for a bar of soap. So it's nice, but to me, isn't something I would be repurchasing. So I had 2 products from Earthwise Beauty that I got. The Paloma of the High Desert Cleansing Ritual Oil and the Cistus and Moonlight Face Mist. So I've been using these for a week as well. So to me, the cleansing oil really smells like peanuts. I was trying to place it and I did a little bit of reading about Sacha Inchi oil. That is one of the ingredients on here. But I think when I was reading it mentioned the smell, of course my cat's cleaning herself, the smell of like a nutty scent. And I was like, as I was using this to cleanse morning and night, I'm like, oh yes, it smells like peanuts. And like, that's what it has smelled like this whole time to me. I like the oil. It does a fine job cleansing. It feels nice. But I'm not really like a huge fan of the scent. And that is a huge part of the experience for me. So I have at least 2 different cleansing oils that I use. One of them is the Wabi Sabi the Giver, that's coffee scented, and also the Pi Rose Hip Light Work Cleansing Oil, which has like a citrus scent. And I will say that I do prefer both of those over this cleansing oil. So while of course I will use it and I believe that it's a nice cleansing oil and it feels good and it does the job, the thing for me that makes me prefer the others is the scent. That's just my opinion, but I do think that it has a nutty scent, just so you have an idea of what it smells like. Now the Cistus and Moonlight Face Mist. This is a hydrating face mist. Again, the scent for me is just not my preference. I have tried every single time I've used it. I've thought, how can I describe the scent? And I can't. I can tell you it's not floral to me. This is what I take from it. It's not floral. It's not citrusy. It's not really herbal or medicinal. It's just something else, but it's not for me. So overall, my purchase from Beauty Heroes was kind of a little bit disappointing to me. But you know, you're not gonna love all beauty products, so that's just my 2 cents on them. So I hope that you found the video helpful and interesting, and please give it a thumbs up if so, and hit the subscribe button so you'll be alerted for when my next video is coming out. And otherwise, I will see you soon. Bye.